Yes, children, welcome to English grammar class. Dear children, we already discussed about some other important grammar topics. Today, let us discuss one more important topic in English grammar, that is called phrasal verb. Most probably, most of you children, you get confused regarding this one. We know verb, then what is this, and verb classifications also, then what is this phrasal verb? Dear children, today for the sake of that only, I am going to explain this topic, phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? Why we should use this phrasal verb and where we should, then what is the difference between verb and phrasal verb? Dear children, for all these questions, today's class you will get the answer. Dear children, the verb, what you know, the verb gives literary meaning. Not only verbs, in this sentence some others also, for example subject, verb, object, another prepositions or adverb or adjective, like this. All these gives the literary meaning. Children, try to understand. All these part of a sentences gives the literary meaning, but phrasal verb does not give the literary meaning. Children, try to understand. If it gives literary meaning, it will not become a phrasal verb, it becomes verb only. For example, what is the literary meaning? What is the beyond literary meaning? For example, I will give you one example here. See, she looked up and saw the plane. She looked up and saw the plane. What is meaning here? Looked up and saw the plane. She looked up and saw the plane. Here, looked up, the word, the verb group gives literary meaning. But here you see, she looked up the word in the dictionary. She looked up the word in the dictionary. Here looked up does not give the literary meaning. So this group, verb group, is called phrasal verb. I will give you another one example. For example, she is looking into the box. She is looking into the box. You can understand this one. She is looking into the box. Okay. But here you see, the police are looking into the case. The police are looking into the case. Here looking into, it does not convey the literary meaning. It conveys the beyond meaning. So this is phrasal verb. Okay children, come on, let us discuss the meaning, definition and classifications of phrasal verb. Dear children, the phrasal verb. What is phrasal verb? Children, understand like this. Phrasal verb is a combination of preposition and adverb. Preposition and adverb. See here, phrasal verb is a combination of preposition plus adverb. Preposition and adverb. Based on this definition, we got three types of phrasal verbs. Three types of phrasal verbs. See there, phrasal verb, three types. First one, verb followed by the adverb. Verb followed by the adverb. Second one, the verb followed by the preposition. The verb followed by the preposition. First classification is verb followed by adverb. Second classification is verb followed by the preposition. The third classification is verb followed by the preposition and adverb. The verb followed by the preposition and adverb. Okay, children, most probably I hope you all are understood this one clearly. Then what is phrasal verb, children? Phrasal verb is a combination of preposition and adverb. Okay, based on this we come to classified in three categories. Phrasal verbs are three categories. First one, the verb followed by adverb, the verb followed by preposition, verb followed by preposition and adverb. Preposition and adverb. Okay, I will give you the three examples for all these three classifications, then you can understand it clearly. Okay, children, thank you. Come, let us discuss with beautiful examples in detail. See, the first one, verb followed by adverb. Verb followed by adverb. The first example, we sat down and waited. We sat down. Totally sat down. Totally sat down is a phrasal verb. Here sat is a verb, down is adverb. That is why we sat down and waited. This is phrasal verb. We sat down and waited. See there, second example, the price of the property. The price of the property here will go up. Go is verb, up is adverb. So, go up is here phrasal verb. That is the first category, verb followed by the adverb. The price of the property here will go up. Will go up. See there. When does the plane take off? When does the plane take off? See, here take off is also a phrasal verb. Dear children, if we want to improve our fluency in English, we have to learn how to use phrasal verbs in our day-to-day communication. That is very important. See come on, let us go to the second one, verb followed by the preposition. Verb followed by the preposition. Children, the workers asked for more money. Here, asked, verb, for, preposition. For, into, under, below, all are prepositions. Like this, the workers asked for more money. Asked for, this is phrasal verb. This is phrasal verb. The child fell into the water. The child fell into the water. The child fell into the water. Fell into the phrasal verb. She brought up her children alone. She brought up her children alone. Brought up is a phrasal verb. Come on, let us discuss the third important category, verb followed by preposition and adverb. Preposition and adverb. See children, we will have to come up with another. Here, come up with is a phrasal verb. And he must face up to. He must face up to the possible consequences of his action. Possible consequences of his action. Possible consequences of his action. He must face up to. He must face up to. Face up to. See there, verb, preposition as well as and adverb also. So these this group of word is a phrasal verb. Okay, and last one, it will comes down to many in the end. It will comes down to many in the world. It will comes down to many in the end. Like this, children, we have three classifications in phrasal verb: verb followed by adverb, verb followed by preposition, the verb followed by the preposition and adverb. Children, these are the simply I gave the examples and explained the detail of three classifications. Now I will going to continue the phrasal verb which gives multiple meanings. The phrasal verb which gives multiple meanings. As I told you, when I started this class, phrasal verbs does not convey its literary meaning, but it gives beyond meaning. But now I will go into depth in this topic, phrasal verbs with multiple meanings. Multiple meanings means more than one meaning. More than one meaning. Phrasal verbs with multiple meanings, and I will give you the options also, and I will give you some incomplete sentences. With those incomplete sentences require the right phrasal verbs. With the help of given the options, you should complete the incomplete sentences choosing by the right form of phrasal verbs. Okay, children? Okay, I will continue this one in same.